Hey guys, and welcome to Dil Se United, your only stop for all things Man United and football in general. So Manchester United have pulled out a nil-nil goalless draw at Old Trafford against City rivals Manchester City this time. I told you guys, bade games mein we do end to turn up, and that is what we did. Obviously उनके पास हालांड नहीं था, पर हमारी इंजरीज का तो सबको पता ही है. So it was a good game by United again. Again मैं वही बोलूँगा, potential है, there is potential in this side even after so many players expected to leave this summer. There was still potential in our side that pulled out a goalless draw at Old Trafford. I know कि good goalless draw at Old Trafford. I know people will say कि injuries and all, या ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कि we should have come home with the win. But I think a side like Manchester City, जिसका level to be honest अभी है हमसे up, उसके against pulling out a draw, and that too to get ourselves back in the top half of the table, that says a lot about Amorim's side's character, his style of play. So all in all, a good result. Many people were expecting Manchester City to come back with the win, but हमें काफ़ी अच्छे chances भी मिले. We could have won the game, but that is not the point right now. The point is to see how we play, how our guys react to difficult situations, and in the end वही आता है कि you have to be clinical. वो नहीं था, understood, but a good point. We are still in the bottom half of the table though, and it is to be honest यार, it is all about momentum at this time. You just have to keep going and going, keep improving our performances, and that is it. तो गेम के बारे में उतना मैं नहीं कहूँगा. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द फैंस वुड हैव वॉच्ड द गेम. सो ऑल इन ऑल, Amorim's आइडिया ऑफ प्ले इज अट्रैक्टिंग मी, बिकॉज उसके प्ले में जो हमारे प्ले में पहले आता था कि डिफेंसिवली हम बहुत होपलेस हो जाते थे, क्लूलेस हो जाते थे, तो वो इतना नहीं दिख रहा है Amorim के स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले में, विच इज़ वाई आई थिंक आवर मिडफील्डर्स ऑल्सो आर गेटिंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट up on the field, कि उनको ये नहीं लग रहा कि we have to track back या कुछ. तो that is also a very good point. And again हमने सिटी को नहीं हराने दिया यार इस सीजन एक बार भी. We won against them at the Etihad, और यहाँ पे गोललेस ड्रॉ हुआ है. सो मैन सिटी फैंस जितने भी हैं उनको वही है कि बोलना है ही कि मैनचेस्टर इज रेड, विल ऑलवेज बी रेड, नो मैटर 3 या 4 या 5 टाइटल जीत जाएं. That is it. It was a good game. I was satisfied with the performance. Obviously could have won the game, but that, as I said, doesn't matter at this time. Other than that, I am in Mumbai right now, and I did get to witness the Real Madrid versus Barcelona Legends game at the DY Patil Stadium in Navi Mumbai. To be honest, सब वही मतलब legends हैं, तो expect कर ही रहे थे कि it will be like a slow paced game and all, but to see these legends live on the field on Indian soil is a different thing, you know. It is a different level altogether. कि seeing Luis Figo, Xavi, Morientes, Pepe, Kiko Casilla, even Kiko Casilla was there. I didn't know that he's going to be there. He was Iker Casillas's like you can say backup at Real Madrid for a long time. So I don't know if his age is like that much to be a legend, but he was there. He was keeping for Real Madrid, good saves also. So all in all, it was a really good experience at the DY Patil Stadium, and to watch this from the media box was also a very good experience for me. It's like a bird's view eye, and it is considered like the best seats in the house. So to see Xavi control the midfield, or you know, Figo with that he like Real Madrid won 2-0, but that assist by Figo, a Trivela assist to Morientes to open the scoring was amazing. Yeah, it just years. Or Rivaldo was also there. Rivaldo was linking up well with Xavi, also with Sergi also. So it was really good to see these legends play you know, in front of me, man. It was really like a crazy experience, and I would suggest कि अगर future में hopefully Messi is coming to Kerala in October. So in future, if you do get to see these matches, I think you should try your best to watch these games if you are into football. And even if you're not into football, it is a game that will attract you without any effort, I can say. So if you guys do get a chance, do watch it. And that is all. Yeah, it was a really nice experience for me. And now the important game, the Europa League quarter final, is now ahead of us. Lyon versus Manchester United. Manchester United are playing away from home, so we have to keep our fingers crossed and hope that we avoid a defeat at least, and hopefully win the game to get that advantage back to Old Trafford. So let's see our very important game for our European ambitions. So as I always say, let's hope for the best, and thank you for watching. Keep watching Dil Se United for everything Manchester United and football in general. Make sure you like and share the video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel to show your support. That is all for now.